right now, do me a favor, go like, share, and most definitely subscribe to my channel. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Now let's get into it. What's up, everybody? My name is Dana Harris with Young Gurus Math Tutoring, and I'm back again to drop some more math jewels. In this video, we're talking about more rules of derivatives, and specifically in this video, the product rule of finding derivatives. Now, this process is kind of lengthy, but pay close attention, follow the rules, and I guarantee you'll get some better understanding. So first of all, we have to figure out, well, what is the product rule? The product rule tells me if that I want to find the derivative of f of x times g of x, right? Then that is going to equal to f of x times g prime of x plus g of x times f prime of x. All right. Now, I know that's rather lengthy, but I'm going to explain what it means. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the first function f of x and you're going to multiply it times the derivative of the second function g of x. Then you're going to add the function g of x times the derivative of f of x. All right, let's get into some examples. All right, so the first example we're going to do is we want to find the derivative of, 3x minus 2x squared times 5 plus 4x. All right, so we want to find, we're going to call this derivative h of x. Okay, so the derivative is going to be labeled h of x, and it's going to be the derivative of 3x minus 2x squared times 5 plus 4x. So remember, in this case, f of x would be this first function, and g of x would be this second function. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to write 3x minus 2x squared, and then we're going to multiply that by the derivative of 5 plus 4x. All right, and then we're going to say plus 5 plus 4x times the derivative of 3x minus 2x squared. All right, so this is what we're going to do. It looks long, but guess what? If you pay close attention, you're going to get a better understanding of it. So we're going to keep this first one. So we're going to say 3, let's make that a little bigger. We're going to say 3x minus 2x squared. We're going to keep that. The derivative of 5 plus 4x, the derivative of 5 is 0 because the derivative of a constant is 0. So we're going to say times the derivative of 4x is just 4. And then plus, we're going to say 5 plus 4x. The derivative of 3x is just 3. And then the derivative of 2x squared is 4x. All right. Now, all we got to do is simplify. So let's multiply. Now, we're going to distribute this 4 times. So we get 4 times 3x minus 4 times 2x squared. All we did is distribute that. Plus, we got to multiply these two. So we have 15 minus 20x plus 12x and then minus 16x squared. All right. All I did was multiply these two binomials right there, right? Now, notice these two middle terms, you get, we're going to simplify, right? So we're going to say 12x minus 8x squared plus 15, negative 20 plus 12x is negative 8x minus 16x squared, all right? So now we just simplify, all right? So let's look for some like terms, okay? So 12x minus 8x is going to give me 4x. All right, so I'm going to put a line through those. And then negative 8x squared minus 16x squared is negative 24x squared, and then plus 15. All right, so now we're just going to rewrite this in descending order, and that'll be our derivative. So we're going to say negative 24x squared plus 4x plus 15. And let's go back and put h of x, right? So we're using h of x. And that is our solution, all right? Remember to follow the rule up here. You do the rule right, all you got to do is just make sure you get all your signs right, and it's all good. Now, technically, we probably should label this as h prime of x, but because I didn't write out the directions, I forgot to mention that. So we want to put that prime so we know that that's a derivative. That's a derivative.